I'm a student right now, and side by side, I'm a content creator. So, what about you?
Wow. I'm doing IT jobs. I'm working for some IT companies, and yeah, that's it. And
Yeah.
your friend is sitting with you, right?
Sorry?
I can see your friend is also sitting with you
Yeah,
beside
he is
you
also sitting with
in
me.
Bluetooth.
Yeah.
Hi, bro.
Hi, bro. How are you?
Yes.
He can speak
Good man.
English.
Hi, good.
He can speak
Yeah, I
English.
know that. Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Yeah. We can get into some group discussion because we are three now, and
yes.
we can get into some topic discussion.
Of
I
course.
think many people from West Bengal are working here in Kerala in the labor sector and all, and we barely depend people from Bengal and Bihar for the work here because the our local Kerala people are not interested in doing this labor work and they are into some white collar job. So we have so much of scarcity in the construction field and all, and we depend people from Bengal mainly to fill that vacancy, and they are good at their work, and they can earn good amount from here if they are working a day. They can earn easily 1,200 rupees.
Yes,
So just imagine in a month how much they can earn. They can easily earn say 30,000 rupees, and if they are smart enough to do some wood cutting kind of work and all, they can earn much more than that. And like for cutting down a tree at a home, they charge around 2,000 rupees. They can do it in 30 minutes.
Yes.
So if they do the cutting work at four different houses, you just imagine how much they are earning in a day. They can easily earn 8,000, 10,000. Maybe for the petrol expense, they have to spend around 1,000 rupees, and the remaining is their profit. So that way, some people are really smart to earn so much of money by working here, and they consider us as a GCC country, whereas the people from Kerala are trying to find out job opportunities in different country, but people from other parts of India are trying to earn more money by coming to Kerala and working here.
Yes.
And these days we are finding some difficulty because all so many people from Bengal went back to their state for the election or something, and not many have come back.
Yeah.
So I don't know why it's taking time for them to come back, and so we are facing big crisis in different sectors because we have shortage of laborers, especially in the hotel sector and construction sector, and all the works are on hold because of the inavailability.
So your English is really good. I listen you. And where did you learn? Like where? From where?
Well, it's just belong to average category because I think yours is much better than mine because you're a content creator, and so I know that your communication is really good.
Yeah. Thank you.
And the thing that I just told you is the same thing that I'm talking to so many people. So if you're saying the same thing over and over again, we sound fluent, right? That's it.
That's it. Yes.
If you give me a different topic to discuss, I won't be as fluent as
Yes.
now. But yeah.
So
So do you have any question for me?
yeah, I have a question to you. So uh, right now you said that you are doing work in IT sector. So how did you get it? Like if you because
Okay,
right
okay.
now we are a
Yeah,
student.
obviously, yeah, it all depends upon what you studied. And I have a BTech degree in information technology. Obviously, the people who completed BTech in information technology are supposed to get a job in the IT sector, right? So it's very easy to get a job in the IT sector, but survival is really difficult because we need to get updated to the new technology and all because the technologies keep changing. And nowadays, after the advent of AI and all, many changes are happening. Many of the people have started losing their job. The companies are cut shorting their employees because they can get the same project done with a less number of people if they are using AI effectively in the work sector. So many are in the verge of layoff, and yeah, it's a big crisis in terms of employment. And the recruitments are not happening the way it was happening before. They just need take only a few people, and only the highly skilled people can survive in the industry.
So
And that's the changes happening, and we are also struggling.
yes, my second question to you is that what is the importance of English communication in IT sector? If you tell us.
It's very important because most of the time we are supposed to deal with the clients from different countries.
Yeah.
When we have clients from a different country, obviously the communication has to be happened in English,
Yes.
and the company will consider us as the point of contact for the client only if we are able to communicate with them effectively. So there will always be the need of communication on a daily basis.
Yes.
Whenever the issue is happening, the client will obviously call us, and we are supposed to answer to them.
Yeah.
But it's very easy compared to the other kind of communication, because we know that why they are calling, and we can get prepared.
Yeah.
Whenever the issue is happening, we can forecast it, foresee it before they do,
Yes.
and we can get prepared for the call and do accordingly. And
Yes.
sometimes it will be really tricky because the client will be very angry, and it's very important to cool them down
Yeah.
by being nice to them, and we have to allow them to speak out.
Yes.
We shouldn't interfere, because if you're cutting in when they are talking, they will be furious. So
Yes.
just let them to speak up as long as they want, and then we can get into the solution.
So we have more
Time is up.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Yeah.
Yeah.